Hello, my name is Anthony Smitha. I'm a security specialist at MonoStay, a managed security services provider. Every day we strive to protect customers' digital assets and IT infrastructure. Have you ever gotten that email where somebody is asking you to change their information? Don't. It is a very common scam these days, unfortunately, to get a request to change information with a single email. There are a great many cases where multiple factors, as it were, of verifying that a person actually wants a piece of information changed are a good idea. This would be if an employee requests to change to payroll. Send my paychecks to this bank instead. If a contractor says, we change banks, change this, this, that, or the other thing. If you're expecting it, like if the employee has walked into your office or the contractor has given you a call and you know this person, and they say, "Hey, we just changed banks. I need to send you an email that says, that gives you the new routing number to put everything to." Again, that's fine. But I would treat it still a little suspiciously just in case. It doesn't hurt to verify a second time. And what's the worst that could happen? They could just say, "Yeah, I told you that this is happening," as opposed to not verifying and then finding out that your employee's paycheck has been deposited into the wrong account, and not just the wrong account, and the bank is able to reverse the charges, but the wrong account where the person is expecting you to deposit the check and they've already removed the money. They see it come in and they move it within seconds so that it's no longer available to reverse the transaction. The money's gone. So don't, when you get those kinds of requests, especially when you're changing a process that involves, you sending money to somebody, it's always really, really a good idea to get additional verification just to make sure that this is a legitimate request from a legitimate sender. Any number of scams have resulted from, the bill payer, the bill payer receiving an email from a contractor saying, "Hey, we need you to change this information so that we can get paid," or the other option, you're 2 months behind in payments, 3 months behind in payments. You need to pay us up, or we are taking you to court. Both of those will. The first one isn't so much a scare tactic. The first one is, "Oh, I know John. I've dealt with John, for 10 years across these 6 different projects. I'll just change this because I know John." And that's being nice. That's great. You know John. That's wonderful. But give John a call. Let him tell you on the phone, "Yeah, we changed banks from this bank to that bank. My secretary emailed you with, the new routing number. Please go ahead and forward that." Great. Don't call John at the number in the email, of course. Call John at the number that, you have for John in your phone, not in that email that you just received. Or if it's one of your employees, ask to have a meeting with him. Hey, just checking to make sure that you actually did request this change to your payroll. Yes, no, just being cautious. We don't really want to feed the scam artists. Hopefully we can let them all go broke and then pursue legitimate lines of work. So if you'd like to learn more, please give us a call at 703-988-7221 or visit our website at www.monostay.net. Have a blessed day.